Welcome to Epic Mint Leaves, your channel for mind-blowing vegan recipes. 66 grams of protein without any protein powder, sugar-free, oil-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, super high in magnesium, super high in iron, super healthy protein smoothie made with tempeh, the highest plant-based protein source, but tastes like liquid chocolate pudding. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, place one package of tempeh onto a baking sheet. Roast it in the oven at 425 Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Let it cool. And throw it into a powerful blender. Along with a quarter cup of cocoa powder. 4 dates. And 2 cups of a plant-based milk. Next, blend it until super smooth. Now enjoy a super powerful and super healthy protein smoothie. Thanks for watching.